All right, people, it's time for the ultimate AI showdown. In one corner, we have ChatGPT, the AI that's basically Google if Google had a personality. And in the other corner, we have DeepSeek, the new kid on the block, claiming it's just as smart, if not smarter. But is DeepSeek really the ChatGPT killer? Or is it just another AI that'll tell you 2 plus 2 equals fish? Well, today, we're going to put them through a series of epic tests to find out who's got the brains, the speed, and the creativity to claim the AI throne. We'll be testing them in 4 rounds: accuracy, speed, creativity, and code generation. So if you're someone who relies on AI to do your homework, write your emails, or basically think for you, you need to watch this. Also, if you've ever had an AI give you a completely wrong answer and you just stared at the screen like, huh? This one's for you. But before we start, I need you to drop a comment right now. Which AI do you think will win? Type ChatGPT if you're team ChatGPT, or DeepSeek if you're team DeepSeek. Let's get a battle going in the comments. All right, enough talking. Let the AI games begin. Accuracy. Who's lying to you? We asked ChatGPT and DeepSeek the same set of factual questions to see which one actually knows its stuff. Here are the results. First question. Who was the 10th president of the United States? ChatGPT Tyler, who took office in 1841 after William Henry Harrison's death. DeepSeek, John Tyler. Okay, both got that one right. No AI meltdown yet. Next, we cranked up the difficulty. Explain Einstein's theory of relativity in one simple sentence. ChatGPT, time and space are relative, meaning they change depending on speed and gravity. DeepSeek, time slows down when you move fast or are near strong gravity. Pretty solid answers from both. ChatGPT gave a more structured response, while DeepSeek kept it short and sweet. Now let's throw in a curveball. How many bones does a shark have? Sharks have no bones. Their skeletons are made entirely of cartilage. DeepSeek, sharks don't have bones. They have cartilage. Okay, they're both smarter than half the internet. So what's the verdict? ChatGPT explains things like a professor, while DeepSeek gives quick, no-nonsense answers. Which one do you think won this round? Comment ChatGPT if you like detailed answers, or DeepSeek if you prefer straight-to-the-point facts. Next up, who's the fastest AI? Let's find out in round 2. Speed. Who answers faster? We put ChatGPT and DeepSeek in a speed test to see which AI can fire back answers the fastest. No buffering, no thinking, just pure response time. Here's how they did. First, we asked, what is the capital of Canada? ChatGPT, 1.8 seconds, Ottawa. DeepSeek, 1.2 seconds, Ottawa. DeepSeek was faster by a fraction of a second, but let's not crown a winner just yet. Next question, who wrote The Theory of Everything? ChatGPT, Stephen Hawking. DeepSeek, 1.4 second. All right, DeepSeek is clearly the speedster here. But let's hit them with something a little more complex. Explain quantum mechanics in one sentence. ChatGPT. Quantum mechanics is the branch of physics that describes the behavior of particles at atomic and subatomic scales where probabilities determine outcomes instead of definite laws. DeepSeek. Second. Quantum mechanics explains how tiny particles behave in unpredictable ways using probability instead of fixed rules. Both got it right, but ChatGPT took longer and gave a more detailed answer. Final test. Write a Python function to check if a number is prime. DeepSeek won again on speed, but ChatGPT gave a more beginner-friendly answer with comments and better readability. So final verdict, DeepSeek is the Usain Bolt of AI, but ChatGPT takes its time to make sure you understand what's going on. Which do you prefer? Lightning-fast answers or detailed explanations? Drop DeepSeek for speed or ChatGPT for depth in the comments. Next up, creativity. Can these AIs actually think outside the box? Let's find out in round 3. Round 3, creativity. Can AI think outside the box? We wanted to see which AI has the most creative brainpower, so we gave them a challenge. The task, write a short sci-fi story about a robot that accidentally gains emotions. Here's what they came up with. ChatGPT's story. In a distant future, Unit 47 was just another maintenance bot on Mars, fixing solar panels day and night. One day, a solar flare scrambled its circuits, and suddenly, it felt something strange. Loneliness. It looked up at the endless red desert and, for the first time, wished for a friend. Confused, it sent a message to Earth. Do humans feel this too? Back on Earth, scientists panicked. What had they created? Okay, that was deep. ChatGPT out here making us question life. Now let's see what DeepSeek came up with. DeepSeek's story. A robot named Z3R0 was programmed to clean a space station. One day, after a coding error, it saw a crew member drop their coffee and felt bad? This is inefficient, Z3R0 thought, handing them a new cup. The astronaut froze. Did you just care about my coffee? And that's how the first robot with emotions was born, by feeling bad for spilled caffeine. All right, DeepSeek just made a wholesome Pixar movie in 2 sentences. So what's the verdict? ChatGPT went for emotional depth, cinematic storytelling. DeepSeek kept it short, clever, and straight to the point. Which one do you like better? Comment ChatGPT if you love deep storytelling, or DeepSeek if you prefer quick, witty creativity. Next up, let's see which AI is the better coder in Round 4, Coding Skills. Round 4, Coding Skills. Which AI is the better programmer? We gave ChatGPT and DeepSeek a real coding challenge to see which one actually knows how to program and which one is just pretending. First, we asked them, write a Python function that reverses a string without using built-in functions like -1. Here's what they gave us. ChatGPT went with the classic manual approach, building the reversed string character by character. Meanwhile, DeepSeek said, let's not overthink this and use Python's built-in reversed function. If you love the old school, let's do it from scratch way, ChatGPT's answer makes sense. But if you're all about getting things done fast, DeepSeek's approach is solid. Then, we hit them with something trickier. Find the first missing positive integer in an unsorted list. Here's what happened. ChatGPT went for a direct lookup method, checking numbers one by one. Meanwhile, DeepSeek sorted everything first, making sure the list was neat before scanning for the missing number. ChatGPT's method is fast and efficient. It doesn't waste time sorting anything. DeepSeek's approach is organized but slower, sorting first before checking. So which AI is the better coder? ChatGPT writes code like a professor explaining things step by step. DeepSeek writes code like someone speedrunning a coding interview. Which one do you trust more? Comment ChatGPT if you like structured, easy-to-read code, or DeepSeek if you prefer optimized one-liners. Now we've tested accuracy, speed, creativity, and coding. It's time for the final decision. Who is the ultimate AI? Let's find out. Final verdict. Who wins the AI showdown? All right, we've put these 2 AIs through 4 brutal rounds. Accuracy, speed, creativity, and coding. Now it's time for the final verdict. Let's break it down one last time. Accuracy. Both were solid, but ChatGPT explained things like a professor, while DeepSeek got straight to the point. Speed. DeepSeek was faster, but sometimes speed comes at the cost of, well, thinking. Creativity. ChatGPT wrote deep, emotional sci-fi. DeepSeek made us feel bad for a spilled coffee. Coding. ChatGPT explained everything clearly. DeepSeek just YOLO'd its way through with minimal code. So who is the better AI? Well, that depends on you. If you like detailed answers, creative storytelling, and a safe coding buddy, ChatGPT is your guy. If you want fast responses, straight-to-the-point facts, and an AI that doesn't waste words, DeepSeek is your new best friend. But here's the real question. Who do you choose? Comment ChatGPT if you think ChatGPT is the ultimate AI champion. Comment DeepSeek if you think DeepSeek just took the crown. And if you still can't decide, just type both are plotting to take over the world in the comments. Also, if you enjoyed this battle, smash that like button, because we've got more AI showdowns coming soon. Maybe ChatGPT versus Gemini, or a Robo-Rumble with multiple AIs in one battle. Let me know what you want to see next. Subscribe so your AI doesn't start ignoring your questions. See you in the next one.